All right, everybody. X Joe, Jiggity Joe, X1, Phase 2. Got some stuff here. We're going underneath. We went to the Dope de Pitipo. We're going to be getting rid of this. And da-da-da-da! Shitalian. Shitalian. Not Shitalian. Shitalian. More on this later. So, let's go downstairs. So I put myself in a little bit of a BBQ. It's not my fault, but do you see where it ends? Oh, look at that, right there. It ends right here. So I need to take this bag of tricks, put a coupling on, make up the circumference of the wood. Okay, if you can imagine, it's right here. Make up the circumference of the wood. Come out with a stubby enough so a 90 could spin on. Come down and not come down here. So it's right about here. Come down here 2-3 inches. Make another 90. Come along this pipe to about here, give or take. Make another 90. Come up, hit in here, come out of here, give or take. I got a couple pieces. Come out of here like this. We'll just use this as a prop. Come out of there with a 90. Shut-off valve and reducing nipple, because I want the setup to sit like this, because I don't want the rubber hose. It comes with a rubber hose, see? And it comes with this disconnect in my hand. So this goes, the black goes to the barbecue, so I don't want it to sit like this and then I gotta cable tie it. So I'd rather it just sit. Watch the barbecue, sorry. I'd rather it just sit wherever I end up, and that's, you know, it'll be a little bit higher, if not higher, and it'll just sit right here. And if there's a shut off, there's a problem, you need to move it. This disconnects, which it is now, takes it off the barbecue, and Bob's your uncle. So unfortunately I'm alone, so I'm not going to show you every little thing, but I'll show you as much as I can. Stay tubed. Give you a little update. It's been a couple of minutes ish. So we got the coupling on, and we have this little nipple piece, 3 inches. Well, the fun part is this wood, so we got to use this little stubby, and I had to basically go bam, 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 to get that tight. Then I'm currently doing this, taking a quick second break, and then we're gonna do the elbow with a piece. Hopefully I land right under here. What a pain in the fucking ass. It's not so much as it's a pain, it's the wood on top of sitting under the deck. If you can imagine, I'm sitting, that's like 2 feet. I'm gonna put a strap right here. It actually worked out the best. Relieve the pressure, you know, the tension. But, you know, you're working with these tools and you have limited, you know, you're tightening it and you're going, and then, you know, these tools are not the, I mean, I don't know that they're the best, but, you know. Anyway, it's working. Oh, and then on top of that, the snow's melting. So now you got this drip thing, which is all over the place, all over. You can see the different colors. So now I'm not, am I only, am I contending with sitting down and getting these pieces in left and right? I'm also contending with dripping. You gotta laugh it off, man. Life's too fucking short, bro. So we got coupling, 3-inch nipple, 3/4 inch 90, nipple or piece, whatever the hell. Another 90. We have a 3-foot piece right there, and I couldn't have I mean, a lot of it's sheer luck. I couldn't have planned it. This is perfect. It came out just perfect. It sits right here. I'm gonna get a strap and my drill right now, and then we're gonna move all this equipment and I'm gonna work out there. So this is where I'm at. Take a picture, you know. Well, we made it outside. A little gap there, you know, because I went down a little bit, took a little bit of lattice off, and I filled the gap. And then we just had this for temporarily purposes. Had a copper strap downstairs. I chose not to fill the gap. I could always back that off. This is not going nowhere. Made a hole saw and Yahtzee bia. So technically what I could have done is put a little nipple and can come a little closer to the 2x8, and then I should have, you know, could have came a little bit higher, but you know what, for purposes it's better off this way, and you know, shut off, and I'm happy with it. And again, this is the lower part. I'm happy with it. It's all solid. It's not gonna go nowhere. Now we gotta go up. This is, you can't do anything. Like it just gets mushy. It's like, ugh. So we're gonna put the top piece on and connect it, and we'll be back. Okay, this is it. I know. This is what happens when Home Depot doesn't have the right parts. So this is 3/4, 3/4 into a nipple that you can't see, which looks like this, just smaller. 3/4 into 1/2 inch, and I was supposed to get a 1/2 inch into 3/8. So what I did was I got 1/2 inch, 3/4 to 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. I go to put this piece on the coupling, it's not half either. I go to Home Depot and we find out that this is 3/8. So they don't have this in stock. They make it, but they don't have a 3/8, excuse me, a 3/4 to 3/8. And then you still need the nipple, like here. So the only thing that could ever happen is if I find one, is to shut off the gas, like that, is to remove this piece, which eliminates this whole piece. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get a new 3/4 to 3/8, and then this piece goes here. So these pieces are gone. So that's what it'll look like, and it'll be this much smaller. So that's it. So we'll put the pipe in. I left it a little cockeyed. I might bring it this way a little bit. I didn't leave it exactly flush, a little bit so it's out of the way. So that's it. I'm gonna hook it up and we'll take it from there. Before we open this up, we're gonna show you the Chinification. So there's that connection. You take the black thing out and it's like a quick connect. It goes up, just kind of sits here for now out of the elements. Nothing's kinked. Goes into its own thing and disappears behind all the fucking Chininess. Okay, so here's the 3 burners, stainless steel grates. Pretty heavy. Here's the flavor bars, stainless steel, they're gonna rot out. Here's the haphazard thing, da-da-da-da-da. There's a da-da-da here, underneath. All the drippings drip down. This is thin, this is gonna break too. And everything drips down to here. This opens and comes off because people say you could get grease fires. Then you got your little chromosome over here, and it tells you, oh, discard. And you got your, you know, stupid stuff here. You got your main lighting instructions. It's called the Genesis 2 Special Edition because we're special. This thing's great because it's a waste of money. You like unconnect it, and then you could put a thermometer in your meat, and then you could actually disappear physically walk away, become a millennial, and then it'll cook the burger for you. Because it'll say, it's up to temperature. And then you come back out and then you flip it instead of worrying about it. This thing clicks up for your buns and then clicks down for not. We'll keep it up for now. Also, this, you can't do that. This, oh sorry, comes up. Sorry. It folds, I guess, just in case you have limited room. I thought that was pretty cool. For what it's worth, until it breaks like it did now. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I got it in. That's all you need to know. This stupid locking things doesn't go nowhere. I have enough clearance. So if the hood is hot, so I guess first light. I don't know what this is. I have to look that up. Okay. I'll show you what it does. Off, light, and that's considered whatever the hell else. Whoa. Oh. So, I guess there's no tube. It's all individual, maybe. I'll see one day. So basically, I had to hit the igniter for these last two so they would ignite. So, I don't think there's really anything else to discuss. I'll probably go over the thing another time. It's hot. It's working. Gas meter's probably going nuts. I'll show you what it looks like down. It's pretty heavy. It's a black top because it's natural gas. It's not bad. It's not that different. This thing, you know, made it through a lot. It's tipped over a bunch of times, but so this is going to conclude phase 2, the installation of my gas pipe to my natural gas brand new Weber Genesis 2. Maybe I'll make a review on this as later, but for right now I'm shot. I need to clean up and do my thing, chicken wing. So thanks for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, and see you in the next video. Take it easy.